Hey, this is Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. Got to ask this question just now. Why doesn't the slash key work for the keyboard shortcut to jump me up into search mail? I figured it'd be a great video to explain keyboard shortcuts in Google Workspace and Gmail. So you can see right here, I'm looking at my Gmail, I hit the slash, it brings me up into search mail. If I hit the C, it lets me create a new mail. Where do these keyboard shortcuts come from? Well, the number one keyboard shortcut you should know is the question mark. So when you're in Gmail, you hit the question mark, which is shift, the slash key, brings up keyboard shortcuts. And you can see there are a whole lot of them. So I can scroll down through there and you can see that there's a group of them down here that are enabled and I can disable them. Included in that list is the search mail, slash search mail. So if I disable this and I go back to Gmail and I hit the slash, nothing's going to happen. But if I hit the question mark, I go down here, I enable these. Now I come back here and I hit the slash, it jumps me into search mail. So it's all, the magic is all in the question mark. Where are the keyboard shortcuts? Get used to these because walking around a keyboard is often far more efficient than grabbing the mouse or the trackpad or the touchpad and moving around. So save this. You can do a screenshot, whatever you want to do. Open in a new window, opens up the help document. It just doesn't look as nice as this looks, which again is question mark. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope that's helpful for you.